Hello everyone, myself Mayan Shukla from Heidelco Medical Private Limited. I am designated as a service engineer. Our organization was established at 2013. We are a leading manufacturer of critical care equipment. We are having equipment like anesthesia workstation, ECG machine, multi-para monitor and syringe pump. And I am here to explain you about our syringe pump. It is our syringe pump. It is very lightweight and easy to handle. It comes with screen size of 3 inches and it is also support touch screen. It supports all sizes of syringes 2 ml to 60 ml. In with that equipment, we give power adapter of C-type charging. So now we are going to tell you about that equipment, how to use it. So this is a start button. You have to press it for 1 second. So now you're seeing that the machine is on. Then there is a 3 indicator. First one is for on and off. If machine is on, it will indicate green. Second one is for AC supply and third one is for DC supply. So this is our syringe holder. We have to pull outward and fix it down. And this is our plunger. Plunger, we have to push it from here and open the lock and then drag outward. Then we have to take our syringe and we have to fix this on that lock. Then again take outward to our syringe lock and then push the plunger. And there is a black sensor. The sensor has to be attached with syringe endpoint. So now you are seeing that we have set our syringe properly. Now you can see that our syringe pump will start. On the display you can see 3 parameters: ml per hour, volume and time. From ml per hour we can select the rate and it is a touch screen. From here we can go and give a rate. You can see that we have given 500 and we can select 30 ml syringe. And you can see on the time you are getting is already calculated in 3 minutes. You can select only 2 parameters, rate or volume or rate or time. You can see there it is a start button. When we press it, the machine has started. Now we are going to tell you about the modes of syringe pump. When we go to back side and we can see weight mode and drug mode. From drug mode we can go through all drugs. When we select on the drug adrenaline, then you can see on the front of the drug name is represented. And again we go to a mode. There is weight mode. In the weight mode we can give a drug doses and the additional solvent doses. Then we can give a weight. When we select all the items, then we will start. It will already calculate what the drug we have to deliver to the patient. Now you can see that this syringe pump can be operated with a touch and a manually also. You can easily see this keyboard. From keyboard we can select a rate. From there you can say if you want to select a 500 ml, then you have to press 5 and 0 2 times. Then the rate will be selected. On this side, corner side, you can see the bolus button. If you want to give a bolus to a patient, so you have to select it 2 times. Then the bolus will deliver. For cancelling the bolus, you have to select this button which indicate with a C and a grey color.